In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine two indicators in TradingView PineScript v5. If you've ever wanted to streamline your chart analysis by using a combined indicator instead of juggling multiple ones separately, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the TradingView platform, head over to the BTC/USD chart to follow along with this demonstration. Once you're on the charting page, let's take a look at the Pine editor. This is where the magic happens when it comes to customizing indicators and writing scripts. Before we proceed with merging the indicators, it's crucial to test each one individually for functionality. Start by pasting your RSI script into the Pine editor. Click Add to Chart to ensure it works properly. You should see the RSI indicator added to your chart. Next, go ahead and remove the script from the chart. Now repeat the process with your MACD script. Again, add it to the chart to confirm that it functions without issues. Testing each indicator separately ensures there are no syntax or logic errors before combining them. Once you're confident both indicators work on their own, it's time to go ahead and merge them. There are two main approaches to this step. You can either manually combine the scripts or use a little help from technology. If you choose the manual route, copy both scripts and integrate the logic by rewriting them to ensure compatibility with PineScript v5. Pay careful attention to rename plots as needed to avoid any conflicts in the combined code. Now, for the easier and quicker method, you can leverage AI to help combine the scripts. Copy the RSI and MACD codes and ask a tool like ChatGPT to help you merge them into a single PineScript v5 file. This step can save you significant time and potential headaches from debugging. Once the script is ready, go back to the Pine editor on TradingView and paste your newly combined script. The combined script will typically calculate both RSI and MACD values, and you can set conditions like oversold RSI and a bullish MACD as buy signals, or overbought RSI and a bearish MACD for sell signals. It's also wise to ensure these signals are plotted clearly on your chart with proper labels. If you encounter any errors during this process, don't panic. Note down the error message and ask your AI tool for assistance. They can often help troubleshoot and correct errors to get your script running smoothly. Finally, once your script is free of errors, it's time to add your combined indicator to the chart. Click Add to Chart, and you should now see your custom indicator displayed. This new tool will update live and provide real-time buy and sell entries based on the rules you've defined, and there you have it. You've successfully combined two powerful indicators on TradingView using PineScript v5. Use your new custom script to streamline your analysis and make more informed trading decisions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!